Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the password on your Facebook business page. This is an important security step that many business owners need to do, and understanding how Facebook ties your business page to your personal account will make this process much clearer. First, open your browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log in using your Facebook business account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Facebook homepage. From here, look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page listed there. This will take you into your business page environment where you can manage posts, settings, and other page-specific features. Now, here's something crucial to understand. You'll be directed to your Facebook business management page, but to change your business page password, you actually need to change your personal profile's password. This is because Facebook business pages and personal profiles are tied together under the same login credentials. They're not separate accounts, even though they function differently. So to proceed with changing your password, locate the profile drop-down button at the top right corner of your screen and click on it. From the options that appear, select your personal profile to switch over. Once your profile has switched successfully, click on that profile drop-down again. This time, look for the option labeled Settings and Privacy and click on it. A submenu will expand, and from there, click on Settings. This takes you into the main control panel for your account, where you can adjust various privacy and security options. From your Settings and Privacy page, focus on the left navigation menu and click on Accounts Center. This is Facebook's centralized hub for managing multiple accounts and profiles connected to your login. Once clicked, you'll be directed to your profile's Account Center, which consolidates security settings across all your Facebook properties. Now locate the section labeled Password and Security. Within that section, click on Change Password. You'll be prompted to select which profile you wish to change the password for. Here's where you'll notice something important. Your business page won't be listed separately because, as I mentioned earlier, your business profile operates under your personal account and shares the same login credentials. So to proceed, click on your personal profile from the list shown. After selecting your profile, you'll be prompted to enter your current password first for verification purposes. Then you'll need to enter your new password twice to confirm there are no typos. Facebook also gives you an option to log your account out of all devices simultaneously, which is a smart security measure if you suspect unauthorized access. Make sure all fields are filled in correctly, then click on Change Password. Facebook will process the change, and you may need to wait a moment while it saves across all linked accounts and devices. And that's it. By changing your personal profile password, you've simultaneously updated the password for your Facebook business page since they share the same credentials. This ensures consistent security across both your personal and business presence on the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.